This video is to show you how to create your very own newsletter using this resource, Editable Newsletters. I will link this in the description. So we are going to walk through how to create either a monthly or a weekly newsletter that you can then print or send out to the parents and families of your students. Everything that I'm going to talk about is included in the resource step by step, but a lot of times it's easier to watch someone do it and copy them. So that's what this video is all about. You'll notice in the resource that you'll find a page that just has different size boxes, and then you'll find pages following that of different titles that we can use inside of those boxes, both in color and in black and white. Following that, the monthly newsletters begin, and those are going to go through all of the months of the year, both color and black and white. Once we pass through all of the months of the year, we will get to weekly templates. Same thing, color and black and white. And this goes on for 97 pages. So your parents or families will be receiving new and fun templates every week, and they can keep their eye out for that. Or monthly if you plan to do a monthly newsletter. So let's get started with creating. I'm scrolling down through the document and I'm going to grab, this one is speaking to me because I am sipping coffee right now. So I'm going to decide if I'm going to make this in color and then simply email it or upload it to my online platform for my parents to access, or if I want to create in black and white, print it, and send it home with students. So for this example, I'll go ahead and use color. Essentially, it's the exact same process. I'm just going to be choosing things that are in color. So I choose the template I want, and for this example, I'm going to right click. I'm in PowerPoint because that's what the resource downloads as, but all of these are editable and you can mess around with them. So right click the template you want, scroll down to duplicate slide. I do this so that I don't mess up the original, but you certainly could mess around with your original and then just re-download it again if you didn't like what you did. I'm going to put my newsletter in between the boxes that I'm going to be grabbing and the titles that I'm going to be grabbing. It just makes it easier. So to begin, I like to do the, let me explain. I highlight across the box and the title, moving my mouse and holding down the right side button, and then Control C to copy that. And I'm going to paste that inside of my document. I can then position the box wherever I think I want it and resize it to fit. I'm going to be typing words here, but before I do, I'm going to go grab a title that I think fits this best. And I think I'll start with what we're learning. So I'm going to click the title I want, Control C to copy it, go back to my document, Control V to paste it. Then I just drag it where I'd like it to be. So we'll begin with what we're learning, and I will type my information out there. I can then resize. So if I wanted to say, this week we are learning all about, and then I keep typing, I can then click that box, go up, and adjust the font and size of the font however I want to do that to make it fit. I can also highlight things and make them bold, that sort of thing. All right, so I've got my what we're learning box. Now I'm going to put in, let's do some important dates that I want parents to be aware of this week. So I'm going to resize that down, move my words, go grab my title. So let's see, you've got upcoming, important dates, events, due dates. Let me keep looking. I like we need your help. Oh, so many good things to choose from here. Ooh. Okay. These are really great. I think I'm going to go with upcoming. No, let's do important events. Control C. Go up to my box. Control V. Also, these are able to resize. If I want this to be smaller or larger, I can just pull the corner so it doesn't distort. If I pull this, it will distort. So I always use the corners to adjust sizing. Just a little tip there. All right, then I can type my information here. So I can say September 7th fundraiser, or whatever else I might need to tell them. Okay, now I want to add a longer box on this side here. And I'm going to, oh, my bad, put that back, move you down, and you down. Let's see, this one is going to be about homework in the different subject areas and how we're going to be doing that this week. But I don't have that much to say on that, so I'm actually going to keep that box large, and I'm going to add our sight words for the week because I feel like that falls under homework. We'll put that here. Make it a little bigger so it matches the same size. And then finally, I think something cute could go here. Let's do a don't forget, and then I'll do like a sweet, fun quote of the day for the week. I mean, don't forget something about how awesome they're doing as a parent or their students. And I can just grab this, Control C, Control V. So then I have my words here, Control C, Control V, and my quote will go here. Inspirational quote. And remember, whatever you're typing, if you want to have it fit, you just click the words and go up here. I like to use the down, and then I can use the arrow keys to move that. Control C, Control V, and then I would just keep going here. If I do this, it'll make the words stop. Inspirational quote about parenting. And I didn't spell quote right. All right, that's just to show you how you can move your words around and make it fit whatever template you end up choosing. Then I can take this document and upload it to my, oh, I didn't show you this part. Before I upload it, I can enter the week date. I could also just keep this weekly. I can put my name there. I can also then put my information here. Mrs. Tunstall, room 406, second grade, Star Elementary. That's all made up, just keeping it. Okay, I can move it. I can add clip art if that's something you have. I could also, like if I really wanted this, Control C, I can add that little clip art there and just crop out the words. It's completely whatever you need it to be. I hope this has been helpful. And then if you have questions about saving it or printing it, you would just note the page number and then print that page number that you wanted, or save that. You can save it as PDF or a PNG or however you need to use it for your class. All right, well, happy newslettering.